Hey kids, are you ready to draw the face of one of the coolest heroes ever, a Ninja Turtle? Let's get started. First, let's draw the outer shape of the face. Start with an oval for the head, but make the bottom part a little flat. Ninja Turtles have strong, cool faces. Did you know they're named after famous artists like Leonardo, Michelangelo, Donatello, and Raphael? Now, let's add their special eye mask. Draw a long rectangle across the face, just above the eyes, and don't forget to leave the eye holes. Raphael's mask is red, so we'll color it in later. Next, it's time for the rounded eyes. Draw two big circles for the eyes, right in the middle of the face. Now for the mouth. Ninja Turtles always have a big cheeky smile because they love pizza and saving the day. Draw a wide curve for the mouth and add a little tongue inside. Did you know they live in the sewers but fight crime on the streets? How cool is that? Ninja Turtles are full of energy, so a bright color fits perfectly. Now it's time to color the whole face. Use green for the skin because, well, they're turtles. Add red to the eye mask. Raphael is the fearless leader, and red suits his bold personality. Let's paint the mouth. Color the tongue yellow to make it stand out. And there you go. Your awesome Ninja Turtle face is complete. Great job, little artists. Don't forget to show your masterpiece to your friends and tell them all about these shell-tastic heroes. Bye for now. See you next time.